Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the stereo and confirming the car is in ACC or running so voltage stays steady. This prevents unexpected reboots. Next, make sure you have the radio code and any trim tools at hand so you won't interrupt the workflow. Then connect your phone via USB or enable Bluetooth. This allows immediate access to navigation, contacts, and media. Once done, check that the head unit boots to its main menu so we can proceed to configuration steps. Now you'll focus on the core connections and audio settings. First, set language, time, and screen brightness, and calibrate touch input if the display asks. This improves usability and accuracy. Next, pair Bluetooth. Make the unit discoverable, confirm the PIN on both devices, and allow contact and media permissions so calls and music work seamlessly. Finally, tune audio outputs by adjusting balance, fade, EQ, and any sub or amp gain. These tweaks make the system sound correct for your vehicle's acoustics. Finish by testing all key functions. Run navigation, use voice commands, make a phone call, and play streamed music to verify stability. If available, update the head unit firmware over USB or Wi-Fi and then reboot. Updates often fix bugs and improve compatibility. If something goes wrong, reset the unit to factory defaults first. If problems persist, inspect fuses, confirm the wiring harness and ground connection, and make sure the antenna and speakers are securely connected before seeking professional help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.